Hello friends, Tony here. In this video I want to add a SSL certificate for our code with Tony. Now if I show you the URL here, I have HTTPS as you can see. And I use Cloudflare, so if I open a Cloudflare here and we have a SSL section here, so if you go to SSL, as you can see I have chosen that flexible, we have off for no encryption, we have full encrypts end-to-end using a self-signed certificate on the server. So I'm going to choose this. And also if I go to this section, I'm going to show you I have enabled the universal SSL. Okay, so if you use Cloudflare. Now let's go to overview. And yeah, I'm going to choose full here. Which means the browser, the Cloudflare is going to have SSL, but also the Cloudflare, the origin server is going to have the SSL. If we choose full strict, as you can see, encrypts end-to-end, but requires a trust CA or Cloudflare origin certificate on the server. Also, we need on the server certificate. So if I would leave the full now, and if we navigate or code with Tony, and I'm going to hard refresh, we have web server is down, and the server is not down if I just and let's log into SSH Tony, and we need to add the passphrase and hit enter. Okay, we are logged in. And also if I say sudo systemctl nginx, we need to add also the password. Yeah, this is active, so Q, which means with the server is okay, but we need to add a SSL certificate. And I'm going to use a certbot, so let's come here, and first of all I'm going to say sudo apt update. Okay, so always when we install a new program is a good run the update. And now let's install the certbot, and I'm going to say sudo apt install certbot, and I'm going to install also the Python 3 -certbot -nginx, because we need for nginx. Hit enter. Let's say enter again. Okay. Now we are good, and let's just navigate in the /etc/nginx, and here also let's navigate in the sites enabled. So sites not available but enabled. And here if I say ls, we have this code with tony.conf, and if I say sudo vi code with tony.conf, as a server name I have a code with tony.dev, and for this I'm going to create the SSL certificate here. So make sure you have the right domain name here, because it's going to fail if it's not. Okay, and I'm going to say just :q, and let's cd back clean, and let's install a certificate for this domain, and we're going to say sudo certbot -nginx. We need for nginx this, and I'm going to hit enter. And yeah, we need to enter an email address used for urgent renewal and security notices. So I'm going to say code with tony.dev@gmail.com, hit enter. And now please read the terms. Do you agree? Yes, we agree. Okay, yes again here. And now which names would you like the active HTTPS for? and we have only one because only codewithtony.dev we have added in the codewithtony.conf. So I'm going to say 1 here, hit enter, and we have a request in the certificate for codewithtony.dev. And congratulations, you have successfully enabled HTTPS on HTTPS codewithtony.dev. Okay, and what I'm going to do now here, I'm going to reload the NGINX just in case. I'm going to say sudo systemctl, not status for NGINX, but I'm going to say reload NGINX. Okay, and then I'm going to say status to see the NGINX, hit enter. Okay, and now let's come here and let's see if I refresh. As you can see, we have now hello from codewithtony, and just to show you, I'm going to cd in the /var/ww, and here we have codewithtony. Yeah, cd in the code with Tony, and I'm going to say sudo vi, not codewithtony, but index, because here we have, if I say ls, we have the index HTML, and I'm going to say, to update that, so sudo vi index HTML. Okay, I'm going to hit I for insert mode, and now let's update this. Let's say hello from codewithtony updated, escape :wq, hit enter, and let's also, just for in case, I'm going to reload the NGINX, and let's say this, let's see the status also. Yeah, q clean, and let's try now. If I refresh, we have updated, and also if I show you the URL, we have HTTPS here. Now let's open again the Cloudflare, and we have a full encrypted. If I choose also the full strict, and we have full strict here, and let's open the codewithtony and hit hard-coded refresh, we have a full SSL certificate for our project. And also I'm going to open the Firefox just to show you. So I'm going to open the codewithtony.dev, and here we have www, but we don't have a www there, just codewithtony, and yeah, we have HTTPS, and also as you can see, we have this site information for codewithtony, connection secure. Okay friends, that's it, how we can add SSL certificate for our project. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends if you like such videos. All the best, and see you in the next one.